Good morning, Pre-Algebra students, parents, Math 6 students, whoever's watching. Take a look at solving and graphing inequalities with integers. Very much like solving and graphing inequalities without integers. Kind of what we did in Chapter 1. This is just adding an integer. Nothing we can't do. Take what we know and use that as our foundation. So we say x divided by -2 is greater than or equal to -5. So many of us would start this, hey, I want to get rid of this -2 because I want to evaluate for one whole x, not a half of x. So I'll just do what I've done in the past. I'll multiply both sides by -2. So that cancels a -2 over there. So now I have x is equal to, I multiply this side by -2 as well. -5 times -2 gives me, let's see, signs are the same, so my answer is positive. 5 times 2 is 10. Now, let's take a look. If I were to solve that, that says x can be greater than or equal to 10. Well, let's try this, and let's just pick a number. Now, this solution set says it could be 10 or anything above 10. So it could be 12, it could be 14, it could be 18. Any of those things it can be. So if I'm taking a look, and I say, let's plug in 12. Let's substitute in 12. So if I put 12 here, I have 12. So now x is equal to 12. 12 divided by -2 is -6. Is -6 actually greater than or equal to -5? No, it's not. It's actually less than. So what happens when you divide both sides by a negative, what you really have to do, or when you multiply, you have to flip or switch the inequality sign. So really this becomes not x is greater than or equal to 10. It actually becomes x is less than or equal to 10. And then when I go to graph that, I'll just put 10 here at the number line. Remember, because it says equal to, it's an open circle because we're at 10, but 10 is also included in the solution set, so I fill it in, and then I graph it to the left. So let's pick a number that is less than 10. Let's try 8, because 8 actually does a nice job of going in evenly. So if I plug in 8 here, let's see here, 8 divided by 2 is -4. -4 is less than or equal to 10. Is that true? Yes, it is, because -4 is less than 10. Hope this helps. Take care.